Welcome to Web Development Concepts, Understanding Frontend, Backend, and Beyond. In today's session, we'll explore the fundamental aspects of web development that shape our digital world. Web development is the process of creating and maintaining websites and web applications. It combines programming, design, and problem solving skills. Web development is essential for businesses and services in our interconnected world. Web development matters because it's integral to both daily life and business operations. It facilitates global communication and commerce, driving innovation and making information accessible to everyone. Let's briefly touch on the difference between websites and web applications. Websites are primarily informational with static content, like blogs and news sites. Web applications are interactive, featuring dynamic content and functionalities such as social media platforms and online banking systems. The front end, or client side, is the part of the website users interact with directly. It's built using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Front-end development is responsible for the layout, design, and interactivity of a site. The backend, or server side, operates behind the scenes. It involves server configuration, application logic, and database management. Backend technologies include languages like Python, Java, PHP, and Ruby, and it's responsible for data storage and processing. Front-end and back-end systems work together to create a seamless user experience. When a user interacts with the front-end, their actions send requests to the back-end. The back-end processes these requests and sends back the necessary data to be displayed on the front-end. Knowing both front-end and back-end development enhances your problem-solving skills and improves communication within development teams. It also opens up more career opportunities, as full-stack developers are highly valued in the industry. In conclusion, web development is a vital component of the digital age. The front-end and back-end are interconnected, each playing a crucial role in creating functional and engaging websites and applications. Understanding both sides enhances your overall skill set as a developer. Thank you for joining this introduction to web development. If you have any questions or would like to connect, feel free to reach out via email or LinkedIn.